in this video, we're given the functions w equals x times e to the y over z, x equals t to the fifth, y equals 7 minus t, and z equals 2 plus 3t. We want to find the total derivative dw over dt using the chain rule. So right now what we have is w depending on x, y, and z, and all of those depending on t. So if I want to take the derivative of w with respect to t, I'm going to have to go through x, y, and then z. So there's going to be three different paths. So first we have the partial w with respect to x times dx over dt, plus a partial of w with respect to y times dy over dt, and then the partial w with respect to z times dz over dt. So that's this formula right here. And so we just need to take the partial derivatives first. So let's take the partial w with respect to x. That's just going to be the constant, which is e to the y over z. And then w with respect to y, that's just going to be the same thing, because x is a constant, times the derivative of y over z, which is just 1 over z. So then we have x over z times e to the y over z. And then when we take the derivative with respect to z, it's going to be the same thing, but we need to take the derivative of y over z with respect to z, which is just negative y over z squared. And so we have negative xy over z squared, e to the y over z. The next step is to find the derivatives with respect to t. So we have x equals t to the fifth. The derivative with respect to t is 5t to the fourth. Derivative of y with respect to t is negative 1. And derivative of z with respect to t is 3. So then we just need to multiply those together and put them in the formula. So we have e to the y over z times 5t to the fourth plus x over z times e to the y over z times negative 1 plus negative x times y over z squared times e to the y over z times 3. We can factor out a e to the y over z from all three terms. And we have 5t to the fourth minus x over z minus 3xy over z squared. But then we can write everything in terms of t, because we can make the substitution x equals t to the fifth, y equals 7 minus t, and z equals 2 plus 3t to get this as our final answer.